Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now as you can see from the title, today we are going to be doing a review video. So I really like review videos because you can know the authenticity of the product, and I'm just showing you guys for the very first time. I'm trying it for the very first time and you can see कि ये product कितना अच्छे से work करता है. So that's why I love review videos. And so today for the review I have my Real Techniques makeup brush set. This is the Real Techniques base coat correction brush set. As you can see, I'm going to show you close. This is the Real Techniques brush set. This contains of 4 brushes, and this is the this is the packaging. As you can see, so it mentions what all are these brushes used for. So yeah, let's go through this. So there are 4 brushes right here, and this one I'm just going to open up the packaging and then I'm going to be talking about this. So this comes in like this kind of packaging. Let me just open it up. This is how it opens from the upper, and this is how it looks. So these are your brushes, and this comes with like a pouch like this. So if you want to go somewhere, you can just use this pouch. See, you have this beautiful pouch right here about these brushes. So the first brush we are going to talk about is this one right here, this brush. Let me just take it out of the packaging. Why are these so, these are so okay. This one just came out. So this one is the contour brush. Delicately applies highlighter to your cheekbones for a sheer soft focus contour. So you can use this brush for contour as well as your highlighter. So you can see here, if you can see, I don't know, it's clearly mentioned, like I don't know if it's taking the focus. Let me just see. Here it is written the contour brush, and here it is mentioned the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. So this is a very soft brush. As you can see, the bristles are not too dense, like they have some room in them. As you can see, it's not too dense, but you can go with very focused or very defined highlighter for this brush. So yeah, I'm gonna try this brush for my highlighter. The next brush that I have is this one. So this one, it says pointed foundation brush. It says a unique cut for use with liquid foundation to build custom coverage. Okay, so I think this is a very small brush for liquid foundation. I don't know, but I think I'm going to use this brush for my concealer. I think this will give me that precise concealer. So let's see how this one works. And the next brush is this one. This is called the detailer brush. This is, as you can see, such a tiny brush. This helps in precision cut to effortlessly conceal problem areas or use with lipstick for long lasting shape and definition. I think you can use this to highlight your brow bone, your inner corners. You can apply lipstick using these. You can apply concealer, where like you can cut crease using this. So this has multiple uses. Here it is mentioned a detailer brush. I don't think you can see this. Like here it is mentioned detailer brush. And the last brush that I have is this buffing brush. This is the buffing brush. It is very compact, like this dense, so that you get the precise application. Ultra plush bristles, ideal for full coverage application of powder and mineral foundation. You can use this to apply powder, blush. You can use this for foundation. So today I'm going to be using this brush for my foundation. So I'm very excited to see how these brushes work. So yeah, let's start. I have already done my base. I have moisturized and primed my face. So I'm going to go with my foundation. So I'm going to be using a little bit thick coverage foundation. This gives me not a thick coverage, a thick consistency foundation. This, as you can see, it is not too runny, it's a bit thick, and I'm gonna take this much of product right here and just I'm gonna dot my face with this. So as you can see, I have dotted my face, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of the product that is in my hand and I'm going to start buffing my foundation. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it in circular motions, and as you can see, this is blending out really well. Just going to show you. You see that this blended out really well. I'm just going to go in with my brush. This is not at all sticky. I mean, this is not giving, as you can see, this is not giving me any patches. You can see some pores right here. That is my original pores. This has nothing to do with this. Wow, I'm loving this brush. Like literally, I'm loving this brush. I'm just gonna take some on my ear, and my neck is done. So as you guys can see, this blended out really good. I mean, I didn't think this brush would be this good. Like, okay, this is a good brand. Okay, so talking about this brand, this one was for 2500, but I got this at a 60% discount from Flipkart. When I wishlisted this was for 20% off, and I was like so heartbroken kind of, because I didn't want to buy such, you know, expensive brushes, and because I don't know how they would work, so I don't want to waste my money. So yeah, but when I was just scrolling down, I saw that it was on 60% discount. I mean, I didn't wait, I just ordered it. So as you can see, this blended out my foundation really well. So you can see this blended out really good, and I'm impressed. Okay, so guys, that worked brilliantly. Now I'm going to go with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to use a liquid concealer to check the concealer brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a little bit here, a little bit here, and all the other points I have to brighten. Or just maybe I can check on my lid also. I've heard that concealers are not the best thing to use as an eye primer. I don't know. Comment down below if you know something about that. So guys, I'm going to use this brush. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. I don't think I'm getting any patches. This is blending out superbly. You guys see how this just brightened my under eye? Like it just brightened my under eye. I mean, let's just see on my upper lid. Okay, so I have a pro and a con on this product. Okay, as you can see, this just set my eye real well. Okay, pro is that this really goes on the places where your blender can't go, like on the inner corners and all, and this gives a good coverage. But the con is this leaves kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see, let me just zoom in. If you guys can see right here, it gives some patches and it's like really sticky right here, like as you can see here, it gives some kind of patches. Okay, maybe like rather than rubbing, I think I should just like stipple this brush, like just tap tap tap, not. Yeah, I don't have the problem that I faced here in this side, because I think I should not rub it, I should just tap tap tap. Let's see, just let me just check this. For my eyelid, I think I'm going to be using this brush because it gives like a very good coverage and a very good base for my eyeshadow. Let's just check out other places too. When you use more product, because your blender absorbs a lot of product. So as you can see, it blended out real good. See that? It just, and you can see my eyelid also. It looks really good and I'm really loving it. Okay guys, so my eyes are done. I have just done a very classic eyeliner, winged eyeliner, and yeah, so let's see how this detailed brush works for my inner corner highlighter and for my brow bone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Wet n Wild palette and I'm going to take some of this this very bright color, and yeah, and let me just zoom you guys and see, so you can see really well like if this does anything or not. So as you guys can see, this gave me a very precise under eye inner eye glow. Like, I really love this. I mean, let's see the brow bone. Did you guys see that? It just gave me a very subtle glow. Let me just build this up. You see that? I really like this. Let's try this side. Let's see. See, give me a very beautiful inner eye glow, and this is such like a detailed, as you can see, this is like a very detailed, like a very small defined brush. So it will give you it will not spread everywhere, it will give you your highlight wherever you want. So let me just highlight my brow bone too. You guys see that? Let's just see, it will give me a very beautiful sheen. So yeah, let's move to the last brush that I have is this one. This is the Contour Plus Highlighter brush. So I'm going to use the same palette and I'm just going to pick a ton of product. I don't know how this is going to work, so let me see. This is such a soft brush, guys. I really love this brush. It gives me such a very precise, very subtle glow, and this brush is so soft. I really love this brush, and I'm going to keep using this brush for my highlighter. I really love this brush. I mean, I'm going to say that many times now. See, it gives me a glow, and like if I go on the sun, I'm going to be like glowing overall. So yeah, I really like this brush. Just gonna use it. Let's try maybe a very blinding highlighter. I don't know, maybe let's try a different highlighter. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it right here. You see the glow? That's what I like. I'm just going to smile and let the brush do the job. Oh god, this is such a beautiful glow that I got just now. You can just see this side. See, it is a very, you see, it's a blinding glow. Just gonna pop that a little bit on my forehead. You see, that is a beautiful, beautiful glow. I'm just going to pop it all over my face. I'm just going to complete this beautiful glowy look using a lipstick, and I'm going to use maybe brown lipstick for this look. I don't know, let's see. I'm going to use a brown lipstick. This is from Faces Canada. I really love this lipstick. So to complete this beautiful look, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty setting spray and just I really love the fragrance of this perfume. Fragrance of this setting spray. This works amazingly for me, and I really like to tap after completing my whole makeup look. And let me just see how this looks. See, the highlighter that I applied, this is giving me like a whole other level kind of sheen, as you can see. Just look at that glow. I mean, this worked amazing. I just love this brush. I mean, just look at this beautiful look. It's just a beautiful set of brushes, and I think these brushes are worth it. I will leave the link right in the description box. I really recommend these. If I like any brush the least, it would be, I think, this brush, because this leaves some patchy areas, but for eyelid concealer this works amazing. So yeah, I don't think you need any other product. You can buy these 4 and some eye brushes and you are good to go. So yeah, that's my review on these products. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anmol. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.